Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing a wig review. This one is from Wigtypes, so thank you so much Wigtypes for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. The unit I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Bobbi Boss, and I haven't had a Bobbi Boss unit in so long, so I'm super excited to have this one today. This one is the first class hair, and it's the hand knotted natural hairline, and this unit is the Glueless Grip Series HD Lace, and this one is called Madelyn, and this one is in M4 350. Oh, it's kind of like an auburn reddish color. It's really pretty. It's a nice wintry, fallish type reddish brown. So this is what the stock card looks like. Here's the lace color. The middle part looks really nice. The hairline has a few baby hairs on it. So I'll probably just add a little bit of lace tint into the parting space. Let's look at the cap construction. Oh, it does have a silicone stabilizer here, so it should stabilize around your hairline really well. It does have your adjustable strap, and it also has the same silicone around the back. It is a breathable, stretchy stocking cap. You have a comb on either side and one comb in the back. This is a new type of cap construction for me. I've never experienced a silicone like inner band, so that's very interesting. I don't know if I should put on a wig cap or not, just to see how it'll work, but I'm definitely going to add the lace tint spray. Oh, I like this. I like this color, and it's laying pretty flat. So I just did my whole face, did my makeup, and I'm actually loving the way it came out. I definitely recorded it, so if you want to check that video out, I will link it down below. Loving how this unit looks right now. I am looking for, I'm looking for a little bit of hairspray because I just want the center part to be nice and slicked down. So I'm just gonna lay this middle part even more down. Nice. This baby is on flat, and I love that for me. I'm going to grab some cream concealers. These are from Kiss New York. I'm going to grab a brush, and I'm just gonna use the darkest shade and add a little just to give the part a little definition. And that's literally all I'm doing. I haven't done the baby hairs. I don't know, you guys, I think I'm off of the whole baby hair tip on wigs. I've not really been super into it lately. I love baby hairs on my more natural styles, like when I install locks and when I install box braids, I go ham on the baby hairs. But some reason, now that I've been you know, just wearing more like lace wigs and stuff like that, I'm just not on the baby hairs. I say that, and then next week I'll be back to gelling them down. I don't know, right now I'm just feeling the glueless natural look without a whole bunch of hard baby hairs. But I don't know, what do you guys think about this wig? It's the color for me. It's the style as well. I have been off of Bobbi Boss for a while, but baby, I'm back because Bobbi Boss still has a lot of great units to offer, and I gotta start trying them again because, Yeah, Bobbi Boss is giving me life with this one. So I will leave a link down below on Wigtypes where you can find this unit. Highly recommend this one. She's beautiful in this color, and I think she's worth a try, you guys. All right, thank you so much for watching. Huge shout out to Wigtypes for being a forever faithful supporter of this channel and continuing to work with me for all these years. You the real MVP. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay until the end of the video. I'll end this video the way I end all my videos. Make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.